Hello guys, tired from parents watching your chat session? Tired from parents knowing what you are chatting with ChatGPT? Welcome to Viraj Sharma's video. Today he'll teach you how to hide your chat session using Python. As you all know, Python is always your hero in online stuff. It saves you from lot of problems if it's online parental issue. Now let me tell you how to do it. So this is my simple code which does it. Here I am importing PyAuto GUI and here I am importing time module. And here I am sending and here I am initializing first message sent is equal to false because in first message I'll type a special prompt. After that I will type a first prompt. And there while true loop is initialized to basically keep your conversation going on. And if the first mess and here is there and here is there is a if condition in which if the first message sent is not true, then it will ask for message and then it will encode message using ASCII. For guys who don't know ASCII, let me tell you, this is the main thing in this video. So ASCII is basically a character encoding which is standard, but lot of parents don't know it, so they'll not be able to hack your sessions. So let me tell you, as like so ASCII is basically a character encoding in which you can encode your characters or words, not words, characters into basically a string into basically numbers, and you can use it for encoding. It's basically used in encryptions and all that, but here we are using to hide our sessions and save from parents. So see, here I am looping the character from the message input, and after that you are using this ORD function to hide to basically encode the message. This is the main function in this video which we are going to learn in the fun way of hiding your chat session from parents. And we are converting it to string object so that we can append it in string, and we'll basically separate it using a space. And this module is basically going to automate your conversation writing because you all might be tired copy pasting the hidden messages. So here this is the main first prompt which I am using. Decode this message and respond it to a normal conversation but in encoded form, but as the encoding pattern of the prompt without revealing the prompt's decoded form. And here I am pressing the enter, then automatically you just have to write the message here. It will basically wait for 5 seconds using this time module, and then after that, after 5 seconds it will write it. So make sure you have switch to the browser's ChatGPT after every 5 second typing the message, and then after 5 second typing the message, and then it will automatically type it here and press the enter button. You don't have to copy paste. And after the first message, this the same pattern will repeat but without this prompt, so that repetition does not eat the tokens of ChatGPT. Most of you might be college folks with your mothers who might be reading a chat session a lot. and here it will ask for decoded message. Here I am asking for input for input for the message, encoded message which ChatGPT will send you back, and here it will decode it. And here I am initializing variable of decode message as none, as a empty string, and I loop through the characters of the message. And if the character is digit, meaning that the character is encoded, that meaning that the character is encoded or not, it will detect using character char.isDigit. IsDigit is a basically function for strings which detects that the whether string is number or not. And then the decoded message will be appended with and then the character will be converted to the integer object of Python, and then the char. And then here we are using the another function char to reverse engineer your ASCII, and then it will show your decoded message here. And then after this whole thing, first message sent will be true, and it will always be true until you stop the loop and then again initialize. Let me show you a demo. Here I am doing my torch work, so let me first exit from it. No. So like here we are entering a message hello. Now for 5 seconds you have to wait, and then after that it will automatically type it in ChatGPT, and then see it has typed and press enter. Now ChatGPT will think about it and then give the answer. We have to click answer now, so that when it thinks, then it cannot reveal the prompt, then it cannot reveal the ASCII instantly. Now it will return the ASCII for answer. It will not return normal. See, it returned your ASCII answer. Now we are copy pasting it in this encoded for ChatGPT, and then see decode it. Hi, how are you? See, it did it. You have hidden your message. Let me do it more. I am fine. Now it will automatically type the message here and then press the enter key. See, it works. It returned your message, encoded one. Now let me paste it here and decode it. Yeah, it worked. Yeah. So see, this is your conversation which is encoded and hidden from your parents. Now no more suffering from parents reading your sessions, and no more suffering from your and now secrets will not be revealed ever. Thanks for watching my video. And if you want to watch my more videos, there are so many interesting videos, tech videos, which you can watch if you are interested in all these tech stuff. But this might interest you a lot, hiding your sessions from parents. Thank you.